about safety and we were talking about the panel, but here are the basic tools that you have for electricity. These are the most commonly used tools. You start out, you have screwdriver. Most important thing about the screwdriver, it does have metal prongs here. You always want it to have a rubber handle. Electricians always work with rubber handle tools because that way if you do forget or you find a live wire and you touch it, it won't conduct the electricity back through the handle to you. So the rubber handle is important so that it doesn't conduct electricity in the event that you accidentally don't turn off the electricity. Then you have your pliers. Again, notice that they have rubber handles on them. Needle nose pliers. You can cut wires with them in here. They're also helpful for reaching inside of the boxes when you're working with the wires and pulling them out because they have the smaller head. Then you have your lineman pliers. Your lineman pliers are set up similar to the needle nose where they have an area where that you clamp down, you can cut the wires. And then the grips here allow you to grip onto the wires, twist them, turn them, whatever you need to do. Wire strippers. What happens here is that you can see they have ridges in them. They're set up to the size of the wire. This is for taking off the coating on the wire when you need to get to the copper. So you put in the wire according to the size and you just strip it. We'll learn about that later. So your wire strippers. Then you have electrical tape and most importantly your circuit testers. You'll plug this in when you're ready to do something. You'll check whatever you're ready to work on. If these things light up, that means that the circuit's still live. You don't want to work on it because if you do, you'll get electrocuted. So what's the first thing you do before you start working on this if you plug this in and you see it lights on?
Go back to the main panel and turn off the breaker.
Right. So that's the most important thing. You want to go into the panel, shut off the breakers. But when we're ready to change this out, you got a few more things that you need to learn. When you're ready to change it out, first thing we do is test that circuit. Okay?
Okay.